Most drivers never question the oil going into their engine. They walk into a dealership, get an oil change, and assume the manufacturer knows best. But what if the oil recommended for maximum fuel economy isn't the same oil that's best for long-term engine survival? What if one simple decision made every few thousand miles could mean the difference between an engine that easily reaches 300,000 miles and one that starts burning oil before 120,000? Today we're diving into the truth behind the biggest oil debate in the automotive world: 0W-20 versus 5W-30. And before this video ends, you'll understand why thousands of experienced mechanics choose something completely different from what many dealerships recommend. Let's start with the basics. Most people see 0W-20 and 5W-30 as random numbers printed on a bottle, but those numbers tell an important story. The first number represents cold weather performance. The lower the number, the faster the oil flows during startup. That's critical because a huge percentage of engine wear happens during those first few seconds after you start the vehicle. The second number tells you how thick the oil remains once the engine reaches full operating temperature, and that's where the real battle begins. On paper, 0W-20 looks fantastic. It flows quickly, reduces internal resistance, and helps improve fuel economy. That's exactly why so many modern vehicles leave the factory with it. Better efficiency numbers help manufacturers meet fuel economy regulations. But what happens after years of driving, thousands of heat cycles, summer traffic jams, mountain climbs, and long highway trips? That's where many mechanics start seeing a different picture. Over time, thinner oils can struggle to maintain the same protective cushion between moving metal components when temperatures rise and engine loads increase. As mileage accumulates, some drivers notice increased oil consumption, louder startup noise, and more engine vibration. While none of these issues happen overnight, they often become more noticeable as engines age. Now don't misunderstand this. 0W-20 isn't bad oil. In fact, for cold climates, short commutes, and normal daily driving, it performs extremely well. Modern engines are designed around it, and millions of vehicles operate perfectly fine using it every day. But the question isn't whether it works. The question is whether it's the best choice if your goal is maximum engine longevity. This is where 5W-30 enters the conversation. A quality 5W-30 synthetic maintains a thicker protective film when temperatures climb. That extra protection can be especially valuable for drivers who tow, haul heavy loads, drive in extremely hot climates, spend hours in stop-and-go traffic, or simply plan on keeping their vehicle for a very long time. Many experienced technicians report that engines running quality 5W-30 often remain quieter as mileage increases and may show less oil consumption compared to similar engines using thinner oils. And if you own a turbocharged vehicle, things become even more important. Turbochargers are brutal on engine oil. They generate tremendous heat and spin at incredible speeds. In many ways, your oil becomes the turbo's lifeline. As temperatures rise, maintaining viscosity becomes critical. That's one reason many enthusiasts and performance specialists prefer a robust synthetic 5W-30 for long-term turbo durability. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. There may be a middle ground. 0W-30 combines excellent cold start performance with stronger high-temperature protection. In simple terms, it gives you much of the startup advantage of 0W-20, while providing protection closer to 5W-30 once the engine is fully warm. That's one reason many European manufacturers rely on 0W-30 for vehicles expected to perform under demanding conditions year after year. So what should you actually use? Start with your owner's manual. That's always the first step. But don't stop there. Think about how you really drive. If you live in a cold climate and mainly commute, 0W-20 may be exactly what your vehicle needs. If you face extreme heat, tow frequently, drive aggressively, or intend to keep your vehicle for the next 10 years, a quality 5W-30 synthetic may offer additional peace of mind. And if your vehicle allows it, 0W-30 could be the perfect compromise. At the end of the day, the best oil isn't the one with the most marketing. It's the one that matches your engine, your climate, and your driving habits. Because engines don't care about advertisements. They care about protection. They care about lubrication. And they care about surviving hundreds of thousands of miles without expensive repairs. Now tell me in the comments, what oil are you using right now? Have you ever switched from 0W-20 to 5W-30 and noticed a difference in engine noise, smoothness, or oil consumption? Your experience could help another driver avoid a costly mistake. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, because in the next one we're exposing the startup habit that silently destroys more engines than bad oil ever will.